Sign Boss is a fantastic operation. Dana holds a pretty cool company here where, they do everything signs. So from driving down the street, if you see a sign popped up, there's a good chance Dana had some sort of business working on that sign and getting that put up. They do everything from kind of volume packages, volume signs, all the way down to your custom jobs. They wrap vehicles. So if you're thinking you want to wrap your vehicle in some sort of, business kind of wrap, or if you want to do a sports wrap, they can do that as well. And the whole process behind going into making signs and different wraps is it's pretty unique. There's got to be a pretty fine expertise and a lot of precision there. Otherwise they don't come out as planned. And so just seeing how that process works and some of the printers that are actually used in this process, I'd recommend anybody that's interested in the sign business or the sign industry and the printing process, got to check out Sign Boss, visit with Dana a little bit. It's a great business.